In this video, I'll show you how you can crimp your own Ethernet cables. The primary tool you're going to need is an RJ45 crimper. You'll also need some RJ45 jacks. And a cable tester isn't exactly required, but it's going to be really handy if you're making a long cable. And finally, some cable shears will be handy too. I don't know how many times I've had an Ethernet cable break like this. The little clip breaks off the end and the cable will not stay in the jack anymore. Rather than just deal with it or buy a new cable, let's just cut this one off and replace it. Once the end is removed, we have to strip off that blue coating. Most cable crimpers have a stripper built in right here. Just put in about a ½ inch of cable and then twist it around. Eventually you'll cut through the coating and it comes right out. Now you'll see the 4 twisted pairs of wires. You've got white, orange, and orange, white, green, and green, white, brown, and brown, white, blue, and blue. Next we'll just separate all these wires. Now the order of these is going to be important. So let's look at a good jack and see how it should look. Turn the clip facing away from you. Now you can see what order the colors should be in. Starting on the left, you should have white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, green, white, brown, and brown. Both ends should look identical to this when held next to each other. Now we have to bend the cables around so they're in the right order. Once you've got them in the right order like this, it helps to pinch them in a line and then bend them back and forth like this. It seems to help straighten them all out and keep them in order. Now you can use the cable shears to even them out. Next, take the RJ45 jack and turn the clip facing away from you. Then carefully slide the cables in place. Make sure they stay in the right order or it's not going to work properly. So again, we should have white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, green, white, brown, brown. And make sure it's on nice and snug. And now the easy part. Put the jack in the crimper, give it a squeeze. And that's really all there is to it. If you hold both ends of the cable next to each other, they should look identical going left to right. If you have a long run of cable, it's a really good idea to test it before installing it. Just plug one end in here, the other end in here, and press the test button. It works! If you enjoyed this video, please like or subscribe to let me know.